this slime like some minutes ago. Stop it. Okay. So I didn't have a container for it, so I'm gonna put it in here.
Okay, let's make some slime.
Yeah, we're gonna make more slime. First we need glue. This glue.
It's not actually orange, but
I need to sit on this thing.
it looks orange, but it's not actually
Yeah,
orange.
it's not orange.
Look, this is like magic. The orange will just disappear. And now the orange just disappears. Oh, it's turning orange a bit. Turning a little more orange.
Yeah, I think, is this the glue enough?
Yeah. Just touch it with the stick.
Ah, stop! Hold this.
Okay. I got a silly thing to add quickly.
Yeah, first let's just make the slime.
Oh no, I dropped the glue on my shirt.
Okay, so which slime color do you want, brother?
Let's go with now the gold.
Golden?
Why are you cutting on my nose so much? Mask is about to cover your face and my board. Eh! Stop putting it on my shirt! So now we...
No, I want to put more.
Don't you think you put a little too
I'm
much?
gonna wait with this for the guys. Look at this. Wait, no, don't mix it. I want to show it. Hold this. Look at the squeeze this one.
Come on.
Okay, bring tissue. See you. Okay, I'm gonna mix it now.
You're still showing off your gold slime. You're cleaning this up.
Then bring the tissue. Let me clean it up.
Yeah.
Something is getting messy.
You literally were it.
Okay, now let's get the activator.
Activator.
Getting in session. Oh my god, it's turning into something. Hold it. Put the cap on.
It's clear slime. You know, simple. Let's create clear slime.
Yeah, but tomorrow, this is day one. I'm making time. Don't.
Ew. Ew. I don't know about this stuff. It's weird. Ew, it gets so gunky on the floor when you mix it. Ew. Ew, look at this. Ew. Ew. Ew.
Go wash your hands.
What have you created?
Slime.
Ugh. Ew. I'm back with it. Ew.
Can you please put the
Wanna some
access
cookie?
activator back in there? Open the bottle.
Wait, I got an idea. Why don't we add googly eyes?
Sure.
Wait,
I need golden slime.
where's the googly eyes go?
Can
Where do the googly eyes go?
you pause the video, please? We have to. It's gonna take time. Mixing this. So yeah, we are done.
And my whole pants are ruined.
So, anyways,
Where are the googly eyes?
I don't know.
We should go find them.
No, they are here. Oh,
Why don't we add balls?
wait, what the? Why are you using that? Check under here. Check everywhere. We need that googly eye.
Why don't we just add balls?
And one ball. Yeah! Get the ball right now.
I don't know about this stuff. It feels weird and it's hard to break. Okay, let's mix it in.
Bring beads.
We need more balls.
Beads.
What's beads?
Beads.
Who puts beads in slime?
They do. Remember? Pause it. Pause it. Pause it. Pause it. Pause it.
This keeps balloon.
Oh my God. Pause it. Pause.
I paused it. This stuff feels good. Stretchy. Ah, she's back.
No, let's change it up.
She's back.
I'm mixing all.
I've been reviewing the slime. Oh my!
Where's the packet of this?
I found slime, but without activator. See a slime without activator. I mean, not bad.
What the blues?
Ew. I found the googly. So it's time to open it.
Now let's put these in.
Why are they sealed the googly eyes so much?
Come on.
Oh,
First, let's put the beads in.
no, let's put
Let's
the
put
googly
this
eyes
in.
Put this.
Let's put this in, Star.
No. Hey, you're messing up the googly eyes. Oh. Now this slime.
Peanut.
Quick look at it. Guys, you want to see it?
First is mix the beads in. Add a little more beads.
Why? Why? Okay, let's see the googly eyes. Where'd the googly eyes go? Oh, feel one. Feel another flipped.
Our sign.
A googly slime. Oh God, the googly eyes. Oh. So this is our slime. I swear to God. You have to be a
The
sticker.
googly eye slime. Look at this.
Does this have any sticker? It keeps falling off.
Okay, let's put this in our collection.
Googly eye.
Put it in it. Okay, bye guys. If you like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye. Peace out.